and now I can confidently say कि I am much better than I was a year ago. I am much better than I was yesterday.
Great.
And as they say, once a biscuit, always a biscuit.
एक धुन 17 स्वर, भारत की पहचान आरडीसी की जुबान. From the heart of the camp to the ears of the nation, this is the voice of Red Hackle, a podcast of the cadets, by the cadets, and for the cadets.
Samaksh, you aimed for Best Cadet. What drove this ambition and how did it shape your second year in NCC?
Okay, so ma'am, when I came to second year, it was all about camps. So talking about this best cadet camp, I got to know about this from a senior. When a senior Vanshika ma'am, she was also going for best cadet, and from her I got to know कि इसमें क्या क्या criteria होते हैं, how the best cadets, how do we become the best cadet. कि इसमें they see each and everything. You need to be good at written, you need to be good at GD, at interview, at lecture, then you need to be good at firing, you need to be good at drill. So I, after hearing about all this, I believed that this is something that I need for my self improvement, because joining NCC, self improvement and growth has been my only motivations. कि I just need कि मैं कल से better हूँ आज. So I thought कि if I need to grow in life, Best Cadet is a camp. It's not only a camp, it is the journey that I need to take. And that is what I did. After joining the Best Cadet, I got better at a lot of things. I got to learn a lot of things. क्योंकि जब आप उस environment में होते हो, that competitive environment, जब आपके competitors आसपास सारे they are at that level which you aim to reach, तो फिर you force yourself कि हाँ समक्ष, अब तेरे को इनसे बेटर करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो तू यहीं पे रह जाएगा, अगले स्टेज पे नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. तो दैट इज वाई सेकेंड ईयर में जब IBCs, IGCs एंड प्री आरडी तक आई रीच्ड, तो फिर after each and every camp, I could feel myself getting better, not only at interviews, not only at written, but I was having all round development. किसी कैंप के बाद मेरी फायरिंग इंप्रूव होती थी, किसी कैंप के बाद आई गॉट बेटर एट स्टडिंग, किसी कैंप के बाद मेरा इंटरव्यूज, आर्टिकुलेशन एंड ग्रुप डिस्कशंस इंप्रूव हो रहे हैं. तो आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी कैंप, आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी पासिंग डे ऑफ पेस्केट, आई कुड improve myself. I could feel myself getting improved day by day. So that was the biggest motivation of mine to do the basket competition. And I believe that reaching the pre-RD3, I have successfully achieved my goal, which was to improve myself and become a better person.
Sir, RDC camp is a golden opportunity. What has been your experience so far?
So this RDC camp has been a very big golden opportunity for me, because in this RDC we get to meet a lot of dignitaries. RDC not only teaches you, RDC is not only about drill, not only about Kartavya Path, it is much more than that. In RDC we learn proper discipline, and we get to interact with many VIPs and dignitaries and many great officers as well. So, talking about my personal experience, I've had the chance to meet the Vice President of India and go to the tea party with the CDS, Chief of Defense Staff. Then I got to see the CAS, Chief of Air Staff, AP Singh, up close and hear his motivating speech, of which we have only, most of the kids have only listened and seen in TV or in news channels. So that was one of the great experience for me. Then the highlight of my camp I would like to talk about is I got the chance to talk to Shubhanshu Shukla, who is the second astronaut who went to space from India. He spent 22 days in the International Space Station, and he shared his experiences with us. And I got the chance to personally talk to him and ask him about his Air Force journey. So that has been one of the biggest moments in my life. And this is not over yet. We have many more events to go. So, along with these huge events, we get to learn a lot more about the line area discipline as well. कि आप सुबह से शाम तक लाइन एरिया सेटअप करते हो. यू गेट टू लर्न मोर अबाउट हाइजीन, द प्रॉपर मेथड्स, कि अगर मेस में खाना खाने भी जा रहे हो तो सब साथ में जाएंगे. दैट टीचेज यू यूनिटी. देन अगर आप खाना खाने जा रहे हो तो आपके पास एक टावल होना चाहिए, सब कुछ होना चाहिए. एंड इन द लाइन एरिया रात को सोने से पहले पूरा लाइन एरिया सेटअप करना आना चाहिए. एंड सुबह जब उठते हो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड डू इज close up the sleeping bag and set up your line area first. Then I believe that this 1 month will make you a person that your peers would not be able to recognize after seeing you. You become much better as a man, as a person, as a human being.
Definitely, sir. RDC is not only about drill; it is about the exposure and experience you get here, and get to meet so many cadets from all over India.
Exactly. And talking about kids, I've made friends with kids from all over India, from Uttarakhand, from Punjab, from NER, from Tamil Nadu. So I believe this camp holds much more value than just drills.
So, Samaksh, your NCC journey started on a funny note. Your friend pushed you in. What sparked your interest, and how NCC has transformed you?
Okay. So, ma'am, as I want to say कि my NCC journey started when जब हमारे कॉलेज में रिक्रूटमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ, तो I was totally unaware what is NCC or how the army life operates. So when the NCC recruitment started, my friend was an army brat who is a really good friend I made after coming to college. So he told me about NCC, about army life, about discipline. So it really inspired me. It really pushed me in कि I want to experience that कि ऐसा क्या होता है NCC में या फिर how to stay well disciplined. Because I believe when a person comes from school to college, he's experiencing freedom for the first time and he's in the mode कि अब तो ना पेरेंट्स है यहाँ पर, ना कोई घर वालों की रोक टोक. नाउ आई एम फाइनली फ्री एंड अब मैं जो चाहे वो कर सकता हूँ. बट एनसीसी इज कम्प्लीटली ऑपोजिट ऑफ फ्रीडम. It gives you freedom, however, it also restricts you by making you more disciplined. So I believe कि मेरा अपने मन से स्टार्टिंग से एनसीसी ज्वाइन करने का इतना प्लान था नहीं. However, after my friend motivated me and after I saw my seniors walking around the campus in uniforms with their built bodies and fit muscular sharir, so I was like, I think this is an organization जो मेरे को अपना एक बेटर वर्जन बनने में हेल्प कर सकती है, फिजिकली, मेंटली, एंड it will help me to become a better person for my future. So that is why I joined NCC.
So, Samaksh, representing UP Directorate at RDC is a huge responsibility. What does it mean to you?
Okay, so I would like to mention that this RDC camp and representing my whole Uttar Pradesh directorate is fills me with pride so much because Uttar Pradesh is the biggest directorate. Group wise, if we see, we have 11 groups and we have more than 2 lakh cadets. And out of that, only 127 were able to come to RDC. So it fills me with great pride that I was selected from those 2 lakh cadets to come to RDC and represent my directorate over here.
Samaksh, any fun moment that you will cherish throughout your NCC life?
Any fun moment? तो अभी मेरे को एक इंसिडेंट याद आ रहा है. सो अभी 2 दिन पहले की बात है. जब लाइन एरिया इंस्पेक्शन हुआ था उससे पहले सर ने भी बोला था कि बाहर जो बोर्ड्स है उन पे जाए कपड़ा मारो, उनको चमका दो. तो आई एम लाइक चलो ठीक है सर, बट कपड़ा चाहिए होगा तो कपड़ा कहाँ से लाऊं. पहले मैं ऊपर गया, अंदर पूरा लाइन एरिया देखा, कहीं कोई कपड़ा नहीं मिला. तो मैं सर के पास दोबारा गया, सर एक कपड़ा चाहिए था, कपड़ा दिला दो कहीं से. सर कह रहे तू जा मेरी चद्दर फाड़ के ले आ. तो मैं गया, मेडिकल बॉक्स से मैंने सीजर निकाली, अपने एक दोस्त को उठाया एंड किया सर की चद्दर जेन्युइनली फाड़ के आ गया. एंड द थिंग वाज चद्दर हम फाड़ रहे हैं बट जो रूम में जितने भी कैडेट्स थे कल्चर वाले उनके साथ, हमें देख के वो ज़्यादा डर रहे हैं. हम चद्दर फाड़ रहे हैं, वो क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो सर, क्या करेंगे. देन हम नीचे आए, पूरा बोर्ड वगैरह साफ करा. सर पीछे से आते हैं, सर इज लाइक ये चद्दर थोड़ी जानी पहचानी सी लग रही है. बोला हाँ जी सर, आपके ऑर्डर्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे से। तो सर हंसने लग गए एंड ही वाज लाइक वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश। So that was one of the fun moments in RDC I've experienced.
Sir, describe your NCC journey in one word.
Transformative.
So, what would be that one message that you would give to your juniors?
Okay. So one message I would give to my juniors is never do anything half-heartedly. अगर तुम कुछ चीज कर रहे हो तो अच्छे से करो, अपने दिल से करो and give your 100%.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great pleasure hosting you.
Thank you.
Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind.